Hey, how is it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I got another video for you guys. I know it's been a little bit since I posted a video, especially of the Datsun. So I just thought I would do that. This is going to be an unboxing video of a new muffler that I got for my Datsun 280Z. The company that makes it is called Fab, or Brute Fabrication. You can buy it through Godzilla Raceworks. I'll put a link down to everything below, along with their Instagram pages and all that stuff. But yeah, there's a company called Brute Fab. The guy makes some custom exhausts or mufflers, just the mufflers for these Z cars. They are a little expensive, but you know, I was looking at an HKS canister style exhaust, and you know, they're around the same price. They're pretty pricey, but good quality stuff, so you pay for it. But yeah, I just thought I would do an unboxing video real quick and show you guys what to expect, since I haven't seen too much on this guy's stuff, just a few things on Godzilla Raceworks page. But yeah, it's pretty nice. He it looks like he TIG welds everything, or TIG, whatever the nice looking one is. But yeah, he does really nice work from what I've seen, and people say good things about him on Instagram. But yeah, I talked to him a little bit on there too. He's a super nice guy. He said he was gonna include a t-shirt. He asked for my size, so time to see what's going on in here. All right. Got some stickers, Brute Fabrication, right there. Got two of those. Awesome. Stickers are a big win for me. I'm a big fan of stickers. I put them on pretty much everything. If a company sends me stickers, I'll probably order from them again. And yeah, awesome. Sent me a shirt. That's the front, and then the back. This is awesome. I'll probably wear this tomorrow. Pretty sweet. Alright, and okay, it's extremely well packaged. It looks like a bunch of styrofoam and stuff. Alright, just throw this aside, I guess. Packing paper. Alright, more styrofoam. And here's the good stuff. Bubble wrap to keep it safe. Yeah, this is pretty well packaged. Alright. Bubble wrap with foam. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Alright. And he does sell this in two different sizes for the inlet pipe. He does them in 3-inch and then 2.5-inch. But I'm sure if you wanted something custom, he might be able to do it if you message him. But yeah, so this is beautiful. This looks awesome. And one thing I do like about this is it is a straight through muffler. I don't know if you can see through there. Yeah, you can see the light through there. There is no baffle in there at all. It's just straight through, kind of like a glass pack. There is some packing in there, it looks like, but yeah, it's pretty beautiful. And the thing I like the most about this is it has the twin tips. So that way you don't have to buy a Z-Story exhaust or the Fujitsu Legalis, I hope I'm saying that right, exhaust system, which is ridiculously expensive. And then I just found out about Star Road, which they make really expensive exhaust systems for the Z cars also. That being said, this is pretty expensive too, but it is worth it. It's a lot cheaper than the full exhaust system, because what I have on my car is a 2.5-inch exhaust system from Motorsport Auto, is that what they're called? The Z store. I'll link that down below too, but I got their performance exhaust on there, and what I have right now is just a 16-inch resonator, and the rest is all straight piped with a single pipe. But yeah, this is gonna be awesome. The welds look pretty fancy. I don't know if you guys can get a good view on those or not, but yeah, it's really well done, but slash style tips, definitely awesome. I'll show you guys what I was originally going to put on the Datsun for tips. Yeah, originally I was gonna put these tips on, just going off the straight pipe, but after hearing this exhaust straight piped, it is a little bit loud for me, especially around 2,500 RPMs. There's a pretty good drone, and I don't know. I kind of thought about keeping it, but I'm definitely going to be changing that. Now, I guess these tips I could probably add them on there later. They're quite a bit bigger than the ones on the one he does, but you know, it's whatever. I'm not going for scene points completely here. But yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty nice piece. Oh, look at that. Put a little stamp thing on the bottom there. Welded that on. Brute fabrication. That's awesome. But yeah, the welds look beautiful and everything, so I'm really happy. This is gonna look so awesome on the car, especially with those twin tips, just like I think it was the old 240Zs. You could get those. I think it was a JDM option only though, with the twin tips on them. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with this so far. I'll probably upload a video some point in the future with this on the car, along with some of the stuff from the straight pipe system that I have on there right now. But I did record some audio actually a few weeks ago. I said on Instagram, you know, I was going to post a video of the exhaust. I never really did that. I posted some short videos, but yeah, I never uploaded them because I didn't have this camera yet. And I was recording on my phone with a microphone, and the microphone, you know, it was helping my phone blow out the audio, so some of the audio is pretty trash in it, but I'll add some of those videos to the next video I do with this muffler on there, which I'm super excited about. It probably won't muffle too much, but you know, I just want just a little bit more, see if I can get rid of some of that drone. Otherwise, I'll probably swap out resonators and see if I can try a different one. But yeah, extremely happy. Links down below. Link to my Instagram too, Pacific Racer. If you guys want to see some of my pictures, and I post about the build on there pretty often. But yeah, I think my next video I'll do an update video on the Datsun. I haven't done one of those in a little bit, and I've done a few other things. But yeah, I do need to clean the gas tank out. The gas tank is, I think it's pretty nasty. Every time I get kind of low on gas, it starts running pretty bad, and I think that's because I got some gunk floating around in there on the bottom, so, or on the top, and you know, when it gets low, it starts sucking it in, which isn't good. But luckily, I do have a fuel filter on there. But I'll probably be dropping the tank this week, so that'll be really fun, and taking a look inside. Might do a video on that, but who knows? Bad YouTuber here. Don't post everything. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow, do whatever you want. Check out the Instagram, Pacific Racer. And again, links all down below, and thank you guys for watching.